In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify email receipts to ensure that your brand's identity shines through every piece of communication with your customers. Let's dive in and make those receipts truly yours. First, let's tackle general email notifications, such as order confirmations. To start, you'll want to navigate to Settings in your Shopify admin, and then select Notifications. This is your hub for all things related to notification settings, where you can manage how your store communicates with your customers. Once in Notifications, you'll see a list of different types of communication options. Find and choose the specific notification type you'd like to customize. For instance, order confirmation. Clicking on it will open up the template for that notification. Once you're in the template, you'll have the opportunity to get creative with the email subject and the email body, which is in HTML format. The email subject is what your customers will see first when they receive the confirmation in their inbox, so make sure it reflects your brand's tone and message. Feel free to tweak the HTML of the email body as well to add your own personal touch, ensuring the style and content align with your brand's aesthetic. After you've finished, remember to click Save to ensure your customizations are applied. Next, we'll move on to customizing Shopify POS point of sale email receipts. Just like before, you'll start by going to Settings and then Notifications within your Shopify admin. Scroll down until you reach the point of sale section. Here you'll find the template for your email receipts. Open it up to start editing the HTML and text. This is where you can personalize the receipt, perhaps by adding a thank you note or any other message that will enhance the customer experience. Once you've tailored it to your liking, don't forget to save your changes, securing your new setup. Finally, let's talk about customizing your printed receipts for Shopify POS. Begin by going into Settings and then select Apps and Sales Channels. Here you'll find Point of Sale listed. Click on it and then select Open Sales Channel, which will grant you access to the settings for printed receipts. Inside, you can customize the header, footer, and various other elements to ensure every printed receipt aligns perfectly with your brand. This is a great way to leave a lasting impression on customers who purchase in-store. Once you've made your edits, click Save to lock in your customizations. And there you have it, a streamlined process for customizing Shopify email and printed receipts. By following these steps, you're ensuring that every interaction with your customers is not only professional, but also distinctly representative of your brand. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy customizing your Shopify experience.